Pwede na. Pwede. Hi everyone, I'm back and I got a lot of requests regarding with Soyoung. So they want me to react to Soyoung's Fate. So this is a Korean song and I don't know if I can understand it. So since I love all those people who left some comments in my videos, who dropped comments and requested me to react those songs, I will be doing it for you guys. Yes, for you. Yay! So without further ado, let us watch the video of Soyoung singing Fate. Like Kung Fu Panda. Wow. like that? I like that. I totally did not understand the song, but Soyeon, I really don't know where is your voice came from. She's so thin, and you really can't think that she can hit that crazy notes. My God. Now, I'm so speechless. For me, Soyeon is the most powerful singer in Korea. Yeah, in Korea. Every country has a singer and she represents Korea very well. The song, the belting, the pipes, the notes, almost perfect. She sounds like screaming, but I really don't care about that because her screaming is just like a lullaby for me because her voice is so wonderful and very on track. I mean, very good, very nice to hear. That's it. Soyeon, I'm dying to meet you. Anyways guys, if you have any videos you want me to react, any more Soyeon songs you want me to react, don't forget to drop a comment down below, and don't forget to press the like button if you like this video, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Alright?